to Azure Network Security for your enterprise's Azure subscription. Let's dive right in. Imagine you've got a business that heavily relies on the cloud, and you are looking to secure it against the most cutting-edge threats without being a network wizard. Azure, with its robust network security tools, makes this possible, and I'm excited to tell you how. Ready? Fasten your seatbelt, because we're about to navigate the complexities of securing a robust network infrastructure using Azure network policies, monitoring, and management. And at the end of our journey, I want you to visit neeraj.qzz.io to learn even more and to subscribe to TechLab, where we keep the conversation about technology enriching and continuous learning. So, without further ado, let's get started. Picture this, it's 2023, and the digital transformation journey has become an essential part of business growth and resilience. As your company expands its cloud presence, ensuring the security and reliability of your network infrastructure becomes a top priority. Fortunately, Azure gives you peace of mind through its network security capabilities designed to handle the cloud's complexity and scale. At the core, Azure's security starts with network security centers. These integrated tools provide visibility across your entire secure network perimeter, offering a one-stop shop for visibility, threat detection, and response. Now, let's unravel some technical details about setting this up, keeping in mind that these principles guide the backbone of Azure's approach to securing cloud infrastructure. Azure's security portfolio begins with Network Watcher, particularly Azure Security Center's capabilities. Leveraging cloud workload protection policies that help secure VMs, containers, and other workloads, these policies are just a drop in the ocean of Azure's security offerings like Secure Access Service Edge and Application Security Management. Let's not forget about network segmentation, which enables isolation between different parts of your network while allowing controlled communication between them, reducing the attack surface for potential threats. The Azure Purview platform allows for data governance and lifecycle management, ensuring your sensitive data is well protected throughout its lifecycle, a fundamental aspect of a secure network infrastructure that involves meticulous data handling. Now, delve a bit deeper into the network architecture. Your network design must be resilient, flexible, and scalable, the very qualities Azure thrives on. Implementing Azure ExpressRoute provides private connectivity to Azure data centers and is built to handle high traffic, offering robust network resilience and avoiding public internet paths. When it comes to network connectivity, always opt for high bandwidth, low latency, and multiple paths for redundancy. Dive into secure routing using BGP and MPLS, both of which strengthen routing in an Azure environment. This ensures the integrity of data traversing networks. Virtual networking within Azure can be customized to suit security requirements, allowing you to define isolated networks alongside interconnected ones. Azure Active Directory enhances security when it comes to identity and access management. With it, you can manage who accesses what within the cloud infrastructure, aligning with the principle of least privileges and implementing multi-factor authentication. Let's talk about security groups and policies at an organizational level. These hierarchical entities, coupled with Azure role-based access control, enforce the principle of least privilege and help manage groups with varying access rights across Azure services. We cannot overlook the importance of persistent encryption in protecting data at rest and in transit. Securing the data plane against eavesdropping and unauthorized access is pivotal. Azure's built-in encryption for storage, tiers, and VMs provides this, alongside transparent management tools that handle cryptographic keys and their rotation. Now, imagine you are deploying a multi-tier application across multiple Azure regions. Implementing an Azure front door can scale this without sacrificing performance, a necessity for global access scenarios. Then there are Fire Zero LTY scenarios to be assessed through Azure's advanced monitoring capabilities, which integrate with tools like Azure Monitor, Azure Sentinel, and Azure Policy for proactive threat hunting and compliance. When troubleshooting, logs, metrics, and alerts come into play to identify issues, Azure Security Center can flag unusual activities, and diagnostic tools within Azure's stack, like Debugger, help identify and fix the problem areas. Azure has got you covered if performance or security checks slip. The scalability here is unending. Best practices are your North Stars. Always keep Azure updates and patches in your toolkit. They offer protection against the latest threats. Regularly review and refine your access controls and enrich your security posture with Azure Sentinel for a comprehensive threat hunting mechanism. And as we wrap everything up, remember, creating a strong foundation with Azure security best practices now will enable you to manage the evolving complexity of your infrastructure with confidence. Remember this as you navigate your way through Azure Network Solutions. It's a continuous journey, always learning, always evolving. But with Azure as your strategic partner in security, the rewards are bound to scale with your business's aspirations. Don't you just agree that the right technology can fuel your company's aspirations? It's all about staying ahead of the curve. To delve even deeper into the endless possibilities Azure holds, go to neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. There, it's a continuous conversation about how technology serves and enriches our business world. See you at the next Tech Symposium. Until then, keep exploring and stay safe online.